second granddaughter is? This kind of a big house.
This is the place.
Oh, sir? Sir? Are you mad? Sorry, sir. That people are knocking. Who are they?
Now, two women. I never see them before.
Women?
Yes, sir.
Let them in.
Hey, this man, are you sure of what you are saying?
Yes, I'm very sure.
Mama Ne, right?
Yes, I am Mama Ne, your wife's auntie.
Mama Esther. I hope all is well. This is why you people visited without announcement.
Is your wife at home?
Yes.
Thank God. I want to see both of you.
Sorry, ma, that won't be possible because I have an important meeting to attend.
Nothing can be more important than what I want to tell you now.
Really? All right, follow me.
How can I face it? Oh, how can I stand it? Oh, I wish the ground can open up. Come and swallow me. Cause I'm ashamed of myself. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Come open up. Just swallow me. Oh, if I can turn back the hands of time, I will right my wrongs. Oh,
I don't know how to start saying this.
You don't have to say anything. What I mean is, I just feel it better not be what I'm thinking.
What is going on here? Can someone talk to me?
Is your daughter at home?
No, she's in school.
Thank God. That girl is not your daughter. Yes.
This is a joke, right?
You have to understand. I am not here to spoil your marriage. But is it my conscience or the ghost that is haunting me?
I can explain. The thing is, you know, when I was pregnant for our daughter, when I was pregnant for our daughter, I lost the baby. And I didn't know how to tell you that, knowing how you would react. I went to my auntie and begged for her help. So she helped me swap the dead baby. And that is Rita.
Tell me this is a prank. This is a prank, right?
The real mother of that girl is her daughter, Nkem. She gave birth to twins, and Rita was one of them.
So, you lied to me.
I'm sorry. I did it for us, for our family. I promise I did it for us.
You mean we have been living under the same roof with such a lie?
I'm sorry. Please.
I have something to say. My daughter told me something before she died, when she was pregnant.
Mama, I had to do it. There was no other way for me to save his life. I cannot help but think that this pregnancy does not belong to him.
Okay. Can you laugh down? Hey! It's okay. It's okay. You have to tell him before it is too late. Yes. You have to tell him.
Okay, will kill me. My husband is going to kill me. I cannot break his heart. I cannot do it. I cannot do it.
But you did it to save his life. He should know that now. He should know that.
How do you expect me to tell him that another man is responsible for my pregnancy? How, Mama? How?
Don't worry.
Okay, who skinned me alive?
Don't worry. You did it to save his life. Oh?
Okay.
Stop crying, stop crying. Just tell him. Explain it to him. He will understand. Oh? It's okay, stop crying.
Okay.
Stop crying. Oh?
Okay, what have I done?
It's okay.
What have I done to myself? What have I done to myself?
It's okay. It's okay.
Hey! So you mean you slept with my boss? Eh? You slept with my boss, Chineke Nname. Hey!
What did you want me to do?
Chineke!
What did you want me to do? Did you want me to let you die? I had to do something.
Don't even try to twist this right now. Alright? Do not even try to make this up. You slept with my boss. You opened your leg for my boss. Really? After everything I've done for you.
Please forgive me.
What is this? What are you even talking about?
Please.
No, tell me. What is this? What's the meaning of this? Hey, just let me be. Alright? Let me be. You slept with my own boss. Jesus Christ. Remember, this is the height of it. This is the height of poverty. This is the height of poverty. I am finished because I don't have money. My own boss slept with my wife. I am not even mad at you. I am not even angry at you. I am angry about my boss. I am angry with him. So he had this money all along. I've been going to beg him, practically lay down for him. I worship this man. I did everything possible to make him happy, despite my condition. And yet, he had to sleep with my wife just to bring the money. What is this? Eh? What is all this? It's okay. It's okay. End of loyalty. I am going to his house right now. I am going to face him man to man. I am going to face him man to man. Hey! Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Calm down, please.
Hey! You slept with my boss. Chineke, this is madness. This is madness. No. Mama, please. Hold your daughter. As for me, I am at my boss' place right now. I am there fighting him right now. He should explain to me why he slept with my wife for crying out loud. Leave me alone. Hey! Oh.
Go. As a matter of fact, if Esther is your daughter and she is the twin sister of Rita, that means Rita is also your daughter.
My God. So why didn't you tell me about this all this while?
I don't want to cause any problem because no one is sure of it.
So you knew about this?
No.
Yes, you did. Oh my God, I'm such an idiot. That was why you gave them money to take care of your child and you stopped Rita from going to her.
I didn't know about Rita.
Yeah, right. Well, you do. I do not believe you. Alex, you slept with another woman. You impregnated her.
I did not do it because I thought she was my daughter.
Oh yeah? So why did you do it?
I did what I did out of charity.
Oh yeah, charity. Tell us why you did it. I mean, today is a day of truth, so you might as well open your heart and speak the truth, Alex.
Where's that man? Open this gate! Hey!
Who be that? Who be that now?
Open this gate!
Wait! Wait, oh, wait!
Jenny, open this gate!
Oga Flower!
Where's that man? Where is that useless man?
Who you define?
Where is that useless man? Where is he?
Oga Flower!
Where's Alex? Where is that useless man? Tell him to come out right now. You're a wicked man. After everything I've done for you, all my loyalty, yet you slept with my wife.
Is that why you are shouting like a fool in my compound?
Hey! You're calling me a fool? Eh? You're calling me a fool after all I did for you? You slept with my own wife.
I think you've forgotten who you are talking to. Let me refresh your memory. I saved your life. Without me, you would have been dead by now. So you should be grateful to me. Without me, you would have been dead by now, and I will still have your wife.
Hey!
So be grateful.
So you slept with my wife? He actually slept with my wife? So you had this money all along, only for you to help me willingly? You just have to sleep with my wife to pay me the money? This is unfair.
What if I refused to bring that money for your sickness?
Hey!
Won't you be dead by now?
Hey!
You will die now.
I'm finished.
And I will still have your wife.
I am finished. You're a wicked man. You're an evil man. But guess what? The villagers will hear this. I will report you to the Igwe. I will report you to the king of this land. He must hear this. You slept with my wife, a woman I married with my hard-earned money. You slept with my wife.
No.
Bet me I will do it.
You dare not.
I will do it. This is end of loyalty. This is the end of loyalty for you.
Out of my house.
You slept with my wife. My boss slept with my wife. He slept with my wife. A woman I married with my money. He slept with my wife.
Okay, sir.
His wife. Because I am poor. Because I am poor. He's calling me a fool. Hey, you. Because of poverty. Because of poverty. But bet me. Hey, bet me. I will report you. This is not the end. This is not the end. I must report you. I will come back for you. Mark my words. I will come back for you. He slept with my wife. He slept with my wife. Hey! Chineke me. Hey! You slept with my wife. You slept with my wife. Hey! Hey! You slept with my wife. You slept with my wife.
Power, no be me now. No be me.
Problem, no be me now.
Tolo, what's so special about your wife? You should be grateful that I touched your wife.
Okay. Now who there on top now? Now the woman.
Will you shut up? Go back. Stand there, don't say a word. Don't say a word. Anoma.
Hey! It's good to make money. It's good to make money. You see this salary we got to pay me. I go to save up. I go make money, build this kind of house. Employ people. Driver. Flower people where they cut flower. Get man. I go tell all of them they carry their wife come. I go sleep with their wife. Their wife go sleep with me. If you talk, I will tell you, shut up. Shut up. You know me? You want me to disown you? Hi. Okay, sorry, sir.
Someone is spoiling my name. I want you to take his life. His name is Okechukwu. If anything goes wrong, I will kill you.
Nothing goes wrong when I'm involved.
I don't know you. Someone recommended you. I repeat, make sure nothing goes wrong, else I will kill you.
That settles it. Your job is done. I'll give you a feedback.
Oh, how can I stand it? Oh, I wish the ground can open up. Come and swallow me. Cause I'm ashamed of myself. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
My boys delivered on my order. They made it look like an accident. That was it. I discovered Esther was his child when I took Rita there. And I became uncomfortable all of a sudden. Because each time I set my eyes on her, it reminds me of him. And at the same time, I feel so bad how the event affected her.
Alex, Jesus Christ. What are you? A beast? What man kills another man and calls it an unfortunate event? What are you? Who did I marry?
I'm sorry.
No, you are not sorry. You are a beast.
Take it easy. This is not the time for all this.
My granddaughter.
Ma?
I have something to tell you. It's about your family.
My family?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't even know where to start. It's too confusing.
You can wait till you're ready. I don't mind.
No, it must be now. It has been kept for too long.
Mama, what is it? Mama?
Okay? I thought you were dead.
Mama, talk to me now.
Okay, I thought you were dead.
I was never dead. This is me. I'm alive.
Okay, so keep quiet. I don't want to come. Sorry. But I'm there. Yeah. Sit here. Hey. Sorry, I'm sorry. Shut the fuck up! Sorry. I want to hear your voice, please. Hey! Henry! Hey, he's my friend. Release me. Shut the fuck up! Release me. Tell him to untie me, please. Henry, it's me. Okay, Chuku. It's me, okay, Chuku. Yes. It's me. Untie me now. I've seen my friend. Fuck off. Which levels? Okay. Okay, Chuku.
carry you go find big man trouble now?
Me?
Oga Alex, what carry you go find Oga Alex trouble?
Hey, Alex! Please, I'm innocent, eh? That man slept with my wife! Alex slept with my wife! You know my woman who married now? Yes! He slept with my wife! Please, untie me! Untie me, let me explain to you properly.
See,
please.
See. Okay, you don't fuck up. Oh. See, that man don't drop better alignment. Better one. The man don't drop better alignment. So, all my man have to just buy you.
No, please. No, Henry, please talk. Please help me out now. Help me. You cannot kill me now. I'm your friend. Eh? He slept with my wife. He slept with my wife, my woman. He slept with my wife. Is that good? Is it good? Please help me now. Just untie me, please. I beg you. Don't kill me, please.
So, what do you want make I do now? Eh? What do you want make I do?
Please, now just release me now. Let me go. Please, I beg you. Please. I will not go to him again. I promise you. Let me just go. Please, you can't kill me. My wife is pregnant and in no time she will deliver. Eh? Please now. Biko no.
See. The only way you can survive this now, is to run far away from this village. Oh.
Okay, I will run, but please, I cannot leave this village without my family now. At least let me go and pick my family. My wife is pregnant, please. I will leave, but let me go and pick my family.
See, better say you the mad, Abi. See, first want to try help now. Abi, you the mad.
Sorry, please. I'm sorry.
See.
Please don't shoot me, I'm your friend.
You have to run away from this village. That's the only way I can help you. Because I know you. No be say one thing happen. Come up from this village, make I know by you. Okay. If I see you close to this village or anywhere around this village, Maba, I go buy you.
Don't shoot me now. Please, so like this.
Hey. Don't lose guard, okay. Go collect.
Release me.
Come on here.
Thank you very much.
Come fuck out from this place.
If you come out again, now you sabi.
Oh, but why you gonna let this guy escape like this? Now which levels be this one?
Chill.
Like this now the matter don't cast.
As far as saying no come back. Job well done. Now my man.
No understand this matter. No understand this levels. My hands no deal. I don't talk my own.
Is that what you passed through?
That was how I left this village with that particular clothes I was putting on that day. I tried my best to erase the memory of this village, of this place, of the environment. But I kept seeing my late wife in my dreams. Not once, not twice, countless times. She told me to come back and take what rightfully belongs to me. Is she?
Her name is Esther.
Is she my daughter?
Yes.
Wait.
My daughter.
You're my father.
Yes.
You're my father.
And you're my daughter.
Oh no.
My daughter. My daughter. See? I wish you could see me.
I wish I can see you.
My daughter. You don't have it.
Okay. I have something to tell you.
Eh? So they're my children. But why didn't she tell me in my dreams?
Maybe we didn't give her the opportunity to tell you more.
Ah! I have twins.
No. I want her back. I want my children back together. As a matter of fact, Mama, I am going to Alex's place. I must go there and see him and iron things out man to man.
Please, at least rest. Tomorrow is a new day. Oh, Biko. Biko, just rest for today. Oh?
Excuse me.
Rest now. Tomorrow is a new day. Hey. Oh.
I can't allow that beast have her and her sister after all he did to me. Never. I am ready to take his life if he dares me.
We have to talk about this. I am very sure you are happy that those kids are yours anyway.
How could you? How could you lie to me for so long?
This is not about me. You impregnated another woman. Why still married to me? You cheated on me.
Stop sounding as if I'm the only one who did something wrong here. Had it been the child is not mine, that means I would have been training another man's bastard all this while. What you did is deceitful and unforgiving. Let's call a spade a spade. Melalo.
If they want from Goliath, I'll be waiting for Banyu. Hey, Oluwa, cover you. Who be that? Hey, if they want from Goliath, I be David Nabanyo. Hey, Oluwa, cover you. Ah, easy now. Huh? Hey, you don't go change your work. You're welcome, you're welcome. I got flower. Hey! Hey! See new working uniform. From blue to black. Baba blue to Baba black. No, you're welcome. You're welcome. Blessing an air fresher, they say there side, see as they smell. Hi!
Where's Alex?
Our guy, he day off.
Call him.
Eh?
Call him for me.
Hey! We can call him for food. We can call him. See as you just brush. Hey! Okay, flower. See how you just the smell air fresher. This is your new work. Oh. You good. Eh? You even wear uniform, black and black. Hey. Make I call him. Hello? I'm sorry, sir. Good morning, sir. Sir, na visitor you get visitor. Yes, sir. Now I got flower, sir. Now I got flower. No, I no buy flower, sir. I said now I got flower where they work for you, for us before. Oh, okay, sir. This my guy. He thinks I buy flower. He don't even recognize you again.
That's Alex.
He they come, our guy. He they come. You know they smile. Being an assassin, you don't join.
Wow.
Where is Alex?
Now my organ will be Alex, organ. Our organ, if they come, you don't forget to say.
What's going on here?
Okay, now.
Go back to your duty post.
Okay, sir. Nice one.
I've seen the transition, so what are you doing here?
Alex, I guess you're surprised to see me. Are you not surprised to see me? You thought I would die. I want to let you know something. I am unshakable. Alex, I am unbreakable. You can never get me. So, you slept with my wife. That wasn't okay for you. Then what gave you the infantry? I want to know what gave you the temerity to take my child. You know what? Go inside there. Bring my daughter out. Right now.
Are you talking about Rita?
Alex, you amaze me. You already gave her a name. Rita. You're a comedian. Go inside right now and bring my daughter.
Stop dramatizing and listen real good, boy. Before your wife died, she said it with her mouth that the children are mine. Get lost.
I am not afraid of you, Alex. You know what? I will see you in court. I will see you in court.
I win you for election, I will still win you for court.
Watch out.
Out of arrogance then, oh, how can I face it? Oh, it's so shameful. How can I stand this? The smoke from the fire of yesterday has blinded my headway. How can I face it? Oh, how can I stand it? Oh, I wish the ground can open up. Come and swallow me, swallow me. 'Cause I'm ashamed of myself. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Come open up.
Who was that man that came here earlier?
Oh. Sweetie, you have nothing to worry about, okay?
Okay. I will be my...
Oh. Okay.
How can I face it? Oh, how can I stand it? Oh, I wish the ground can open up. Come and swallow me, swallow me. 'Cause I'm ashamed of myself. I'm sorry.
Maria, there is real fire on the mountain. And what could that fire be? I am still in shock. To make matters worse, okay, the one my husband said he ordered for him to be killed, he resurfaced. Came by the house today.
Okay. He is alive. And what did he say?
He is very much alive. He is demanding for his daughter. Can you imagine that?
But I thought they said...
I know what he said. Now he's saying something else. He's saying his wife told him to go for what belongs to him. Huh?
He wants Rita?
Yes.
This is serious.
Very serious. The young man wants to go to court.
Oh no. You guys cannot let him go to court. You shouldn't take this easy.
What would you have me do? My husband is keeping Rita. He even wants to bring Esther to the house. And I know my husband, if he wants something, he would fight for it until he gets it.
The mother of the children said the children belongs to him?
Yes, according to Esther's grandmother.
And the man is saying the children belongs to him too?
Yes.
That means no one is sure yet. It's not certain.
Yes. No one is sure yet.
Hold on. The best way to come out of this horrible situation is to go and run a DNA test. Yes. DNA test. That will enable us to know who the children belongs to.
You're right.
Yes. That's the best way. Don't be scared. Be strong. We're gonna fight it.
I'll tell my husband about this.
You have to.
Thank you.
Be strong.
I know what to do. This time around, I will finish him completely. Nonsense.
Calm down now, eh? You're getting yourself worked up, and I don't want us to take this too far.
Meaning?
Meaning we should take it on a lighter note.
I don't understand.
What I'm saying is that you find time to sit and talk to him. We can go for a DNA test to know who the real father of the children.
Can you hear yourself speak? I should call an idiot, a nobody. I should bring myself down and approach someone I'm not supposed to talk to. Is that what you're saying?
I'm only making a suggestion.
Your suggestion is not valid.
God. Can you just calm down? Huh? Can you calm down and listen to me for once in your life? Since you got married to me, you never listen to me. Just listen to me this one time and just do things differently.
I won't.
Can you take it easy?
Listen, your husband is a very wicked man. I know what I'm talking about. Yes, but you know what? I would deal with him personally. He thinks I'm still a small boy. He thinks I'm that gardener he used to know. For your information, okay talking to you right now is a possessed being. I've made money. I make money every weekend. I would deal with him. First thing Monday morning, I will see him in court. I've already told him that.
Okay, I understand. But you don't have to be like my husband. Eh? We can settle this out of courts. Let us settle this like matured people that we are. Biko, I'm begging you.
Oh, really? You see, you're more reasonable. Now you want us to do it in a matured way? All right, fine. It's a nice suggestion, you know. No problem. But if he thinks he's smart, then I will show him that I'm smarter.
Thank you. Thank you for your understanding. That will be all for now. Everything will be sorted out tomorrow, okay? I promise.
All right, then. All right, it's a deal.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Alex, you think you can take what belongs to me? Never. I make money every weekend. This is just the beginning.
Yes, come in.
Doctor, the result is ready.
Okay, please get it for me.
Honestly, doctor, I don't understand this result. What does this mean? Huh? Esther is not my daughter, but his. How? Please, explain further, because this thing here doesn't make sense to me.
Yes. The DNA came out yesterday and it says that Rita is yours, while Esther is his.
You mean I got my wife pregnant the same day he got my wife pregnant?
How is that possible?
Yeah, it's rare, but it happens. It's a case we call heteropaternal superfecundation. Yes, let me explain. It's a case whereby a woman has sexual intercourse with two different men in the same time of her ovulation and becomes pregnant for the both of them.
You're very funny, doctor. Honestly, you are very funny. Huh? Oh, you thought I don't know what is going on here? You thought I don't know? You're trying to manipulate the result just to favor him.
I can never do a thing like that. Our hospital is a well-respected hospital, and I can never do anything to jeopardize the integrity. And if these results are not satisfactory to you, you can go ahead and check in other hospitals, but I assure you, you are coming back with the same result.
How possible is that? Two men got one woman pregnant.
It's a rare case, but it's real.
Scenes of the past is coming to me. Something I did out of arrogance then. Oh, how can I face it? Oh, it's so shameful. How can I stand this? The smoke from the fire of yesterday has blinded my headway. How can I face it? Oh, how can I stand it? Oh, I wish the ground can open up. Swallow me, 'cause I'm ashamed of myself. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Come open up, just swallow me. Oh, if I can turn back the hands of time, I will right my wrongs. Sins of the past is coming to me. Something I did out of arrogance then. Oh, how can I face it? Oh, it's so shameful. How can I stand this? The smoke from the fire of yesterday has blinded my headway. How can I face it? Oh, how can I stand it? Oh, I wish the ground can open up. Swallow me, 'cause I'm ashamed of myself. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Come open up.
Where is my daughter?
She won't leave her room.
Take me to her
The
room.
hands of time, I will right my wrongs. Oh, of the past is coming to me. Something I did out of arrogance then. Oh, how can I face it? Oh, it's so shameful. How can I stand this? The smoke from the fire of yesterday has blinded my headway. How can I face it? Oh, how can I stand it? Oh, I wish the ground can open up. Swallow me, 'cause I'm ashamed of myself. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Come open up, just swallow me. Oh, if I can turn back the hands of time, I will right my wrongs. Sins of the past is coming to me. Something I did out of arrogance then. Oh, how can I face it? Oh, it's so shameful.
Can I see?
How can I stand this? The smoke from the fire of yesterday has blinded my headway. How can I face it? Oh, how can I stand it? Oh, I wish the ground can open up. Come and swallow me, swallow me. 'Cause I'm ashamed of myself. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Rita, you don't want to live with me. See, I understand that you've stayed here all your life. But it's time to face reality. You're my daughter. I am your biological father.
How about my sister? I now have the chance to stay with her.
Yeah. I've been having, as a matter of fact, I've had a series of dreams about your mother telling me to come for you.
My mother. How was she? How did she look like?
Oh, your mother was the most beautiful woman ever. Very beautiful. Just like you. Your mother loved me with everything in her. She loved me so much. But she did something wrong just to save my life. But that was in the past anyway.
Did you marry another?
No. You really want to stay here?
Yes, Dad.
Listen to me, Rita. I'm always here for you. I'll be available for you whenever you need me. Please, do not hesitate to call me whenever you want to see me. I beg of you.
Okay, Dad.
Okechukwu, I wronged you in many ways. On a normal ground, you are not supposed to forgive me, which is understandable. But please, because of these children, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm sorry for all I did.
Okay. Please forgive my husband.
Dad, please forgive him. You're the best man I've ever known. Allowing me to be with my sister shows how good you are with a good heart. Please, forgive him, please. Please forgive him. Please.
I will forgive him because of both of you. Mr. Alex, I have forgiven you.
It's a great bond. There's something special about this connection. What about but so much commitment? There is something about me and you, like a magnetic field, but I cannot place it. Just like sisters, you're my bestie. I wanna be with you every day. There's something special about me and you, and I call it a great bond. Between me and you, you're like a sister and a bestie. Great bond existing between me and you.
I'm grateful.
I didn't do anything for you. It was your child I raised.
Yes, but you raised her well. At least that is enough. And Mama, from my little findings, I mean, she's well-mannered, and I like that.
You're right.
Thank you so much.
You're right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. God bless you. And then, Mama, there is something you must know. My late wife, your daughter, was the best thing that happened to me. I loved her so much. In fact, I cannot love another woman because I still love her, and even tomorrow and forever.
Thank you so much.
So, you're my best mother-in-law. You're still my mother-in-law.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. I beg to take my leave now, but before I go, I have a little token for you. Excuse me. Mama, please manage this little token.
You call this little token? Oh!
Yes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
God bless you. God bless you.
The thing is, I don't want you to stress yourself again. I want you to always relax. I mean, look at your age. You're not getting younger. You need to relax. Anything you want to buy, use the money. You can even send, children to get it for you. Please, just relax yourself. Whatever you need, do not hesitate to call me. In fact, as a matter of fact, I'll be sending you money monthly. Let's just call it your salary.
Hey, wow.
Yes.
That's all.
Yes. That has always been Nkem's wish.
Oh.
She has always wished for you to be taken good care of.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
You're welcome. I will see you when next I come visit in the village.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Take care of yourself, please. If you need anything, you just call me.
I will.
All right? No matter what it is.
Take good care of yourself, eh?
Bye-bye.
Drive safe, please.
All right.
It's a great bond. There's something special about this connection. What about but so much commitment? There is something about me and you, like a magnetic field, but I cannot place it. Just like sisters, you're my bestie. I wanna be with you every day. There's something special about me and you, and I call it a great bond. Between me and you, you're like a sister and a bestie. Great bond existing between me and you, something unexplainable. Great bond that is this connection is mysterious, so yeah, I cannot let you go. Yeah, there's something special about this connection. What about but so much commitment? There is something about me and you, like a magnetic, but I cannot place it.